Um, I want to start planning for our first Christmas together. For sure, it will be very, very exciting.
Despite sa busy schedule ko, I will surely spend as much as possible with dinner with them.
I-treat sila sa magagandang lugar.
For me, pagluluto ko sila to show love to them.
Ako, I want to spend time with them. Movie marathon. Ganon.
The word start sometimes scares us. But if that start will bring better opportunities, better changes, better lives for your family, would you dare to start? And if this start will bring you closer to your dream of having a greater home. Ikaw, ano ang gusto mong simulan?